Hi everybody! Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make compost at home. Making compost is a super great way to turn your used vegetable scraps and yard cuttings into a really nutritious fertilizer that you can use for your garden. When your vegetable scraps and yard cuttings decompose, they become really nutritious for your garden, a really great way to supplement your plants. A good compost has 3 ingredients. It has greens, browns, and moisture. It's important to have a good balance of greens and browns because you want your finished compost to not be too moist or too dry, and you want it to have a good balance of nitrogen and carbon. Good things to go in compost are vegetable scraps from your kitchen, yard clippings, sawdust, coffee grounds, eggshells. All of those will make a really nutritious compost. Some things that shouldn't go in your compost pile are anything that's too thick or woody, biodegradable plastics, or cardboard. It's not that those things aren't biodegradable, but they won't decompose in the time frame of a home compost pile. So to make your compost pile, once you've gathered all of your yard clippings and vegetable scraps, you're going to make what I call a compost salad. You're going to start by clipping your yard cuttings into salad-sized pieces. Salad-sized pieces, like you were making a salad, maybe a little bit bigger. And once you've done all that, you'll pitch it into the compost pile. Let's go see what happens. So as you can see, we've clipped all of our scraps into small pieces. This will help to increase the surface area and make sure they decompose faster. When you've done that, you can take your clipped pieces and pitch them into your compost bin. Then, if it's too dry, you can add moisture from the hose. Remember, our third ingredient is moisture. And then you're going to mix it with a pitchfork to make sure that everything is mixed around well. Once it's all mixed, cover it with a lid, a piece of cardboard or a burlap cloth, and add a soil thermometer if you have one of those. After a few weeks of mixing your compost, you'll notice that it gets warm, and then you'll start to see fewer chunks of vegetable matter and more fine, moist dirt. And that's your finished compost. So you can use this like a fertilizer by spreading it on a bed for evenly at planting. You can put some at the bottom of the hole when you transplant, or you can mix it into new soil when you amend a garden bed. You made organic fertilizer and it was totally free.